Hey guys, it's Trish back with another video. Today we're going to be making some fun donut earrings. We're going to be using these tiny donuts from Dress It Up Buttons, some 8/0 seed beads from Jessie James Beads, and also some Heishi beads from Jessie James Beads as well. Let's get started. Okay guys, so to get started, we're going to take a piece of 22 gauge craft wire. I'm going to cut it at about 4 or 5 inches here. And I'm just going to take that and just warm it up in my hands just a little bit, get it straightened out, get it ready to work with. Then I'm going to do a simple loop on the end. So I'm going to take my tweezer pliers and bend a 90-degree angle in our wire, about 1/4 inch. I'm going to grab the end with my round nose pliers and I'm just going to roll that back to the top of the wire, and it kind of gives it like a little lollipop appearance on the top. It's like nice and centered. So that is ready to go. We're going to take one of our 8/0 seed beads and put that on our wire, and then we're going to take 3 of our Heishi beads and whatever color combinations you like, and just feed those on the wire. And then we're going to put on 3 more 8/0 beads, because we need to put something in the center of our little donuts to keep them centered. So you can see how those are going on there. Let's put one more. Okay, and then we're just going to take one of our cute little donuts and put it on. And you can see that's going to center your little donut pretty well there. Okay, so then we're going to add 3 more Heishi beads, and we're going to do, I think I'll do yellow and turquoise. And then we'll add a pink. 3 more 8/0 seed beads. If you had some 6/0s laying around, those would work well too. 6/0 seed beads. Whoops. Chase that one over here. All right. All right. Then we're going to put our other donut on. And then 3 more Heishi beads. You can see where we are there. We're in a nice stack of donuts. Okay. We're putting 1 more seed bead on top. Then we're going to go ahead and grab our wire about 1/8 of an inch up from the last bead there. Bend it horizontally. Cut that wire about 1/4 inch long. Get a little bit more off. We're going to do the same thing, make a simple loop. We're going to grab the end of the wire, roll it back just like so. Whoops, get our little seed bead back on there. So now that we have that rolled back, we have one of our bases prepared. So let's take another piece of wire and cut that flush. Bend the wire horizontally. Grab the end of the wire and roll it back to make it into a simple loop, just like we did before. And then we're going to do seed bead and 3 Heishis. And then 3 more seed beads. And then our blue donut. And then 3 more Heishis. So look here what colors I chose there. Okay. So let's do those came together. Oh, that's perfect. And then we're going to add 3 more 8-0 seed beads. And then our last donut. 3 more Heishi. And I'm going a little faster on the second one here, guys. Get that little black dot off there. There we go. And an orange colored one. And then 1 more 8-0. Okay. So that's going to be just exactly how we did that one. And again, we're going to go just a little tiny 1/8 of an inch, a 1/16 of an inch above our last bead, and we're going to give our wire a bend. And then we're going to cut it to about 1/4 of an inch. Then we're going to take our round nose pliers and roll that back, just like we did before, to give ourselves a loop on top. Now we have a loop on top, a loop on bottom. And both of our bases are ready. So now it's as simple as just taking one of your favorite colors of donuts and gluing on a jump ring. You can do this prior to starting the project so they're nice and dry. I just use some super glue gel on mine and just let them sit for a little bit and they're good to go. So these are going to be the little dangles on the bottom of our donut earrings. So all we're going to do is at the bottom here where we made our loop, we're going to open that up and feed on our jump ring and close the loop. Okay, so there's one. And then same thing on this side. I make sure I have the right side here to open. There we go. And feed on our little donuts. With our jump ring. And there we go. Let me grab some ear wires, then I'll be right back, guys. So here are our adorable little donut earrings. I am in love with all of the spring colors. These are just adorable. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.